Hey everyone, Joe Markham here with PetKore. Let's talk about why the Flotek Ball could save your dog's life. The grooves on the Flotek Ball are V-shaped, so soft tissue can't block airflow. And we've had this design vet tested for safety. Plus, your dog's teeth catch on the grooves, making it easier to grab, keeps the ball from sliding too far back. We also made the large Flotek Ball 5 millimeters bigger than the average large ball. Prevent it from getting past your dog's rear molars, reducing the risk of choking. With its safety-first design, the Flotek Ball makes fetch safe and fun. Get one today and play worry-free.